I got you. I got you. I just had to pull my camera out of my very skinny jeans. Yes. That's a wax. It's very smelly. Not really, I was talking about you. Is she good in the car? Has she ever been in the car or what?
She does, she just doesn't, we don't put her in the car very often.
Not anymore.
Say hey! Say hey!
When you sign in and stuff,
hey! So hey! Hey hey!
Is there a
I can get to work the other way.
Alright, be the stereotypical dog. And yet when I blow in your face, you sneeze.
I'm going to have to rush. I'm going to have to run back there.
You in there? Yup! You in there? What? Breathe out! What? What's over there? What? It's a graveyard. Yeah.
Didn't figure out who bastardized this song.
I want a Mr. Snuffleupagus. I do. Michael wants Peppa Pig plush. There's like a ton. I forget what country is that place made?
What?
Peppa Pig.
Peppa
Is he
Pig's British.
Is he British? Yeah.
Peppa
There's
Pig's
tons of
British.
Peppa Pig merchandising at Disney. Peppa Pig, like Peppa Pig has his own aisle.
Peppa Pig is.
He has like his own aisle.
Peppa Pig's a girl.
Cute.
Dude, there we go. Anyone else need one? Who does not have one? Just raise your hand if you don't have one.
Is it Frosted
Frozen
Flakes?
cereal.
Oh, it's Frozen Flakes?
No, it's like.
I know it's Lucky Charms.
It's like Lucky Charms.
Alright. No, you hear another dog is what you hear. Come on, Joseph. Bye, Jesus. And they're with all your friends. He keeps petting me versus me petting him. I was Snapchatting it earlier. The cats go like this. But with both hands.
You have to film my face. Just film the apron.
There was a cat. There was a cat over. There was a cat over there.
There's a black cat.
There was.
Where are the roses?
She's going deeper in. Like the flowers, buddy? And as always, I would like to thank the fans. The fans are... I'm all about the fans. These are my biggest fans.
There are a couple purple ornaments and stuff. Like,
Do you have a Home Depot credit card?
no. Should I get a Home Depot credit card?
Would you like to sign up for one?
No. It's $5.
Really? Even though it's 75% off?
It's not 75% off.
Oh.
Because the plants aren't ours. Home Depot doesn't own any of these plants.
Oh.
So I can't discount any plants. Unless it's like... It's difficult. It's $8.08.
Hi, how are you? Is there a water dragon in there? I don't know, it's too foggy. Too fog. I like that one. I really do.
I like that black one.
John is, oh, there's another one. Alright. Sorry if there's another guy like you. In fact, there are 5 other guys like you. That silver one is very different though, yeah. Oh, there's another one. I don't know. John, is that you? Oh no, John, where'd you go?
Is gonna be at in Walmart. Like,
Yeah, I'm listening.
I forgot who the company was, but maybe Joshua has it on film or something. But she's showing
No,
off.
all I filmed was like her like being all happy that a whole bunch of people were surrounding her.
Keep talking. I'm just
Anyway, so she's showing off these necklaces or whatever, like those like necklaces and stuff. So she's pretty much asking people for these signs of hands, you know, do you like, you know, is this a nice, you know, piece and stuff? And
Yeah, she just shows off like 3 necklaces
she
or whatever.
shows off 4 different necklaces, and then she's like, you know, these necklaces when they come out for real, you know,
Are gonna be like
$100 or whatever, all 4 of these necklaces.
Yeah.
But you can get them all today for $29.99 if you get this special card or whatever. So, you know, we're all like, you know, and everyone's like, you know, some people were all about it and stuff, but other people are like, where's this pendant thing? And she comes out, you know, she pulls this drawer out, and boom, that's what the pendant.
Michael was pretty dumbfounded. He was. I am vlogging the color-coded the label that it has a light bulb and it has a fan on it.
Joshua, you obviously didn't see the ones hanging in the kitchen, then did you?
Why has this not been thought of yet?
That we have even
Oh my god.
Aren't they the most ingenious thing ever?
$26.
Exactly. Do you have $14?
Sure.
Okay, here. I don't want this. It was the wrong way. Very picky about the way my money is placed.
You're giving him $40
Make
for
sure all these are
a 25. I'm staring at his teeth. No! How much? How much?
What is it?
Ilsa's whatever.
220. Okay, you got that, and then
I can do that.
Okay.
I can do that. Do you want to tell everybody what you did?
I just put it on his head.
You ice bucketed Jack's head?
That's Jack's mother's head, thank you. It still doesn't make any sense.
I just lost, and she thought I could make a trade before I
Oh,
went
sure.
bankrupt.
I thought I could sell you. You
Which
should
I
have
can't.
offered me.
Which I can't.
You should have offered me.
Which I can't. You just can't do it. You
Why
just can't
not?
do it. You just can't, because you're
So-
bankrupt. You can't. If I like was hanging on by a thread, and I was for the longest time, then you could have offered me something.
Oh, I have Monopoly on red.
Yes. That. Why do you think I want to bankrupt her? Because you have red now, and you're halfway to green.
No,
Why would you not
So,
know? Why would
if
you
you're
not
watching
sit
this-
in jail
Can you collect rent money while you're in jail?
during Monopoly?
Can you?
No.
I'm talking about real. I'm talking about silly little Monopoly game.
No.
Can
Why
you
wouldn't
collect
No.
house money when
No.
you're in jail?
No. Because why wouldn't you just sit in jail?
Be-
Why wouldn't you just sit in
Because
jail?
a bunch of people
because
just
it
sit in
doesn't
Why
jail.
say
would you
anywhere
sit
in
in
the
jail?
rules you cannot collect
Because a
rent
bunch of
while
people
in
do
jail.
already just sit in jail.
It does. I
Where?
need-
Can you?
Where? Prove it in.
So, boys and girls, I bid you nighty night. Melissa won. It started getting a little tedious, sort of like that, but the game was starting to end, and I looked at the clock, and I'm like, oh, that was a lot later than that. Like, it was good. We did really good time. We ended at 1 a.m., which it is right now, so yeah. It was good. And Melissa complains that she's never won before, or whatever, and she feels like only if she does win that she's doing it unfairly, and just like, whatever. I don't know, but whatever. Michael does always win or whatever like that. Me, I had dark blues that I could do nothing with or whatever. It was bad. It was really bad. And Michael got light blue and orange monopolies in one turn, so that was really good for him or whatever. But Michael had to use the last yellow in the Monopoly set to pay off a debt, a rent. So he used that as $500 or something like that. I don't know. But yeah, it was interesting. I'm currently going to sleep. Yeah, I'm still in the habit of checking the battery, even though thanks for the new camera. Thank you for the new camera. Cause it like never dies. It like never dies. It will eventually have the same problem, but whatever. I'm going to sleep because I have practice tomorrow, and I'm not even called, but I need to go there in order to get home. So yeah, I need to get home to film my introduction for year 3, which I haven't done yet. Cause I mean I could have done it on December 31st, but I never did. So whatever. And I'm still Instagramming all my happenings of 2014, including, I don't know if I told you this or not, but Disney visits, holidays, and concerts, Mayday Parade, and Mr. Roboto. Yeah, it was fun. It was fun. It was fun. It was fun. Whatever. I'll talk about that in the new happy year intro for year 3 or whatever like that. And my resolution is to get everything back on track again. I was just telling Michael, like, 2 years ago, my resolution was to start the vlogs. Now my resolution is to get them back on track, because I am... August, is it? Yeah, August. I just have August uploaded today. It sucks. But... yeah. Until then, I bid you good night. Never grow up. And yeah. This light's weird. Look at this light. Say goodnight, Haggy. Goodnight, Haggy. He's my snuggle buddy, home away from home. He really is. See you guys.